Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Ashimary. You know the fave already. I got this tote bag, so cute, and you know the box with all the stuff. Of course, as I open it, the first thing I'm seeing is the wig. All right, then I also got this goodie bag. Got a edge brush and comb. I got a branded elastic headband, some pins, a whole pack of eyelashes. Those look really good, and a pair of HD wig caps. And then lastly, I got this information booklet. I got an extra Invisi-Strap because we're going to be working with that Invisi-Strap wig today. I got some lace tapes, a Ashimary bonnet. There's so much goodies in here, and a robe. This is Ashimary's Glueless Newborn Hairline Invisi-Strap 360 skin lace frontal kinky straight wig. It's a pre-everything natural look human hair wig, by the way. You see this? You see that? Yeah. And it's 20 inches long, by the way. This is extremely full. I'm gonna put the density, all the specs down below so you guys can go ahead and check it. So it's basically like a 13x4 space, and as I say, it goes all the way around. It's a 360 vibe. So the Invisi-Straps are in the back. It has removable combs inside of the cap. As you can see, these are 100% removable. Okay, I like to leave mine in because it makes the install way more secure. All right, there are loops in the back for another comb. Then there's a branded elastic band inside, which is always a good idea. All right, the whole purpose of the Invisi-Strap, though, I feel like it makes everything more discreet. You don't need glue for this type of install at all because it's a glueless wig. But like if you want to do an updo, you don't need to be scared about your lace getting exposed and just it being secure and everything. They won't see what is keeping it so secure. Okay, now with the newborn hairline, everything looks way more realistic. It's already pre-plucked, by the way. It's just a deeper graduation, and it's more realistic, you know. The lace is already pre-bleached and tinted. Okay, so I love that. The texture is giving 100% very realistic. The way the hairline is shaped looks very natural. It has that subtle like M curve. It has a subtle M curve. It looks really good. It's very versatile, so it supports all different type of, you know, hairstyle that you wish to go ahead and provide a more realistic look because of the newborn hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of the lace tapes to get the front hair really nice and secure. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on. So you just want to go ahead and put it on. So once you put it on like that, you just want to go ahead and stick it in place, and then you press it in. And that's literally it. You see how good that looks? Very undetectable. Looks really good. So now I'm gonna do the rest of the hairline. You see that? Literally glueless and have you looking so snatched. Now that we're looking like that, everything looks melted. I'm gonna take the elastic band to further kind of press everything in. But before I do that, let's adjust the back. Attach a comb to the inside. So you want to take it and stick it in the drawstring portion from each side, and there are two knobs on it, one up here, one down here. So you kind of just pull it to where it feels most secure, like as tight as you want it, and once it's where you want it to be, you literally just slide the knobs into place, and this will keep everything secure. So once I do that on each side, I take the end of the string and tuck it beneath the cap. And that's how the back is looking. So now that everything is secured and in place, I'll get the elastic band and I'll just tie it down for a few minutes. So you guys know the drill. It's a 360 wig, so it's only right I do a top bun just to show how good everything looks and realistic. So I'm just pulling out a few pieces in the back, like, you know, they did cut like shorter pieces so you can help like with the back with helping to make everything look super realistic. So this is it. Once I'm done, you can't tell me that don't look good. Like the hairline, everything looks so realistic. Done with the bun. Now I'm gonna give you like 2 more looks with today's install, which I'm absolutely loving. So I want to do like this side part vibes, right? I just want to do a nice swoopy look and then like a half, you see the vibes? I want like a very natural blown out vibe. And then we're gonna do some curls. You see that natural vibe? Like absolutely no baby hair. It's giving fresh blowout. Okay, it's giving real deal naturalista. What? That looks amazing. That looks amazing. So that's look number 2. Okay, I'm gonna speed through this portion just like the previous hairstyles because I'm gonna curl this through all the way, and I know it's gonna take a minute because I want to get it really nice and detailed. So let's get into this style. I'm gonna use my Moray curling iron. Look at that curl. What? Oh my gosh, that's too nice. Let's get into it. Super easy to add curls, so easy to add curls. Yes, I did this cute little half up half down. Initially I was just gonna leave it be, but I'm like, okay, that's a look and then this is another look. So you pretty much got like 4 different looks for this one wig install today, and I love that. Ashimary coming through with the quality. Okay, they did that. So yeah, this is style number 4, look number 4, whatever you want to call it. Too cute. The hair is so full. The texture, everything is very natural looking. No edges needed, no finessing needed to the edges. Like, and what? Glueless. Beautiful, just beautiful. So I absolutely love that. I hope you guys found this informative today. I hope, you know, you were inspired by all the looks created with this wig. You could go ahead and try out a few yourself if you decide to go ahead and get this wig. And also, if you're interested in getting it, the direct link to order is down below in my description box. It's the first link down there. All the information is provided as well as the specs. And if there are any discount code or sale going on, that will also be mentioned. So go ahead, check out down below for all the necessary information. Shout out to Ashimary once more for today's bomb wig. They did the thing. They did it. Yeah, I absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.